Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today is April 28th, 2020. This is MJ, and to recap the last video, we saw how the directory structure looks like. Um, Now in this video we are going to see the commands in Unix operating system. So I'll just write UNIX OS commands. Please note that all these commands are run from a terminal window. If you know what that is, it's a black window which opens up when you click on terminal in Unix, and if you want to see the same window in Windows, it is called command prompt, which is also known as CMD. So now I know there are many commands in Unix operating system, but we will see the frequently used commands, and we should be able to see roughly from 10 to 15. So we'll see how it goes. And for doing this, I would like to have this tree structure before our eyes so that it will be easier for us to actually see the output of these commands. So the first command that I am going to, so let's see, my directory structure is like this. I have a root directory, and inside root directory I have two subdirectories. One is bin and the other one is USR. So the first command is mkdir, which is used for creating a directory. It stands for make directory. So you can create a directory with mkdir. So let's say if I run a command like this, I am going to give dollar symbol because that's the symbol we see on the terminal window. So let's say if I run mkdir slash usr slash mj, and if I hit enter, this is the enter symbol. If this command runs successfully, Unix will not return anything. It will just go to the next line. But if it gives you, or if it doesn't work properly, it will give you an error. So there are two possibilities. It will be either success or it will be either failure. If it's a success, then the command prompt will be silent, giving you nothing. But if it is failure, then you will see some output or some error message. So it depends on how it depends on you how the command executed and what kind of output you will see. So let's assume the command ran successfully and we didn't get any output. So this directory structure will transform to this one. So you have root directory, inside that you have bin directory and USR directory, and inside USR directory you will have a new directory called MJ if this command ran successfully. So this was the first command. Now let's say if you want to create a file in MJ directory, but you don't want to write anything to it. So I will just use the second command, which is called touch, and touch command is used for creating an empty file. So what I mean by empty file is the file will be created, but it will not have anything inside of it. So let's say if I run this command touch, and I'm going to use absolute path all the time because that way it will give you a better idea how the command runs and works. We will use relative path when we'll see cd and ls commands. So let's say if I did slash usr slash mj slash abc.txt. So if it command ran successfully, the directory structure that you see will transform to this one. You have root, you have bin directory here, you have usr directory here, you have mj directory here, and let me roll this up a little bit. And this mj will have one file called abc.txt. So let me finish the tree. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use the touch command. Now the third command that I want to show you is let's say ls command. So it is going to give you the list of all files and directories in current directory or present directory. So the syntax will be like this. Let's say if I want to print what are the contents of mj directory, so I'll say /usr/mj and I'll hit enter, and it should give me one output which should look like this: -rwx r I think it should give me r w hyphen, but anyway, then there will be owner information, group information, and at the end it will be abc.txt. We will talk about these in the coming videos. I just want you to give you an introduction of what it actually looks like. So this tells you that the directory mj contains a file called abc.txt. Now there are other variations also of ls command. One of those, and this will be our last command of the video, and I'll continue giving you other commands in the next videos. So there are other variations, which is ll. ll is one of the variations in ls, which gives you a detailed list of all files and directories in present directory, right? So what I meant by detailed, it will give you this output, and I was not correct here. This will give me just abc.txt. So I will cross this one out here, and I'll say it will give me this output: rwx r-r, all those things, and abc.txt. So this ll command, it tells me who is the owner of the file, what is the group of the owner, what is the size of the file, and the timestamp of the file when it was created, and whether it's a file or directory. Again, we will talk about this in the coming videos. So to recap, we saw 4 commands. So I will build it like this for recapping purpose. The 4 commands are mkdir, which is used to create a directory. Second one is touch command, which is used to create an empty file. Third one is ls command, which gives you just the list of all the files and directories in the current directory. And then ll command, which is a variation of ls command, and ll gives detailed information than ls. So hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching it. Do comment, click like, and subscribe. This is MJ signing off. See you next time. Bye bye.